We are headed down to Maplesville, Alabama to pick up a motorcycle. It's going to be a one-day restoration project that we're giving to my dad. This Billy over here, or whatever y'all know him as, my brother-in-law. I don't know why I'm narrating this as if it's my video, because it's his, but anyway, headed down to Maplesville, Alabama. It's going to pick us up a motorcycle, Honda XR200. It's a 97 model if anybody cares. And we're going to take it home and restore it and present it to my dad this evening. I'll save you the long story. Yeah, it's a surprise. Basically, he wanted a motorcycle. We know he's never going to buy himself one, so we're just going to buy him one. We went in together. Going to pick him up a motorcycle, and we're going to fix it all up. So we've got about an hour's drive ahead of us, and then we will update y'all when we get there. It's me and Billy, and then there's Tanner back there.
You've seen me a few times already.
Yeah.
She's no fun.
Well,
that laugh,
yeah.
It down.
So we're just going to stay on the highway, and we'll catch up with y'all soon. What's up, everybody? We made it. We made it to Maplesville, and now we're waiting on this guy to meet us with the motorcycle. He's supposed to meet us here, and then we're going to follow him to his house. So check out this sweet time lapse of us driving to his house with him, and we'll see y'all there.
Oh, all right, so we made it. We're about to check it out, see how everything goes. Make sure everything runs good. Drop this thing down.
So what did you buy this thing for? For riding, I guess.
Well, it was my brother-in-law who had it for his graduation present, his training.
Is it new then?
New? Yes, no.
So y'all are not the original.
No. I bought it at the rancher down there, and he gave me this. 97, I don't need it all right. Like I said, it's been sitting in that tin for a while. That's what I'm talking about. It's gonna need levers. But all the brakes work. All the brakes work. Start first kick. Mike.
Yeah. I think it's plenty big enough to hold him up.
Yeah, good enough for Dad.
Putting around in the yard's all he's gonna use it for.
I trust you.
It's
4 from each of us.
yeah, it's $800. So yeah, we'll take it.
All right. You want me to write you up a bill of sale on it?
Yeah, I guess.
All right, I'll go.
He's gonna be like,
right one.
Yeah, he'll want one.
we're gonna try to load it up.
All right, Tanner, this is your part of the video because he's definitely gonna need my help.
It smells like the 80 back in the day, running.
All the plastics are in real good shape.
Yeah, it'll clean up real good. Perfect power.
It runs good. Start on the
Not to make a copy of it?
No.
Yeah, I don't know what that was.
It's alright. We're just gonna take a ball peen hammer and beat it around the corner in there because about.
Billy, got anything you want to say?
I don't even know what the date is. Like a 9 or something.
This is gonna be the bike for the father-in-law. We all went together on it. It's gonna look pretty good by the end of the day when we surprise him for it tonight, or with it tonight. I mean, it's gonna be a you're not. We're gonna blur her. Y'all will find out about her in a couple years when we feel comfortable letting her weirdness be on camera. But Get it cleaned up real good, a little paint, a little brushing,
Yeah, we're gonna oil it up.
and
see if we can save it.
it'll end up being real nice. Give him something to put around his yard in. 'Cause that's all he's gonna use it for. All right, well, we're finna get back on the road. Shit.
All right, we're leaving. You see back there, we got the motorcycle loaded up.
You also see the strap that we didn't put on. We got to put in the toolbox.
Oh yeah. Yep. So
Definitely don't want to leave that.
So Billy's gonna get that when we stop right here in just a second. But
fix some problems.
So everything checks out. I got a bill of sale. Can't see my address, but so there's that. Got a bill of sale. Everything worked out. We got our work cut out for us today. It really needs new levers, new brake and clutch levers. We will probably rob off of my 80. So when Dad sees this, I know he's gonna freak out. But we're gonna do that. We got a little work on the exhaust to do. We're gonna give it the used car dealership treatment with lots of spray paint. You know, we're gonna get some spray paint to cover the frame where it's got little rust or dings or whatever. And I'm gonna repaint the exhaust with some engine paint so it looks nice and new. And that's that. So we're gonna make the trek home and make a little parts list of the stuff we need to get together, and then we will give y'all watch us work on it. Yeah. So here we go. We'll see y'all at home.
Yeah, I ain't never seen a gas pump like this before. You gotta stop it because it ain't gonna stop itself.
I don't think it will.
She said stop it on 40, so I guess it won't. That's wow. Look at this old thing.
Slow it down. Speed it up. Slow it down.
Where are we at, babe?
We're at a little country store.
I went inside to get a ring pop, and the lady said, "What y'all doing down here in our neck of the woods?" Cute little store. Cute little store in Maplesville, Alabama. They got real good ring pops. Watermelon, best flavor. Hard to find in my area, I guess, because I eat them all. I guess we're done here?
We are done.
All right, let's go.
We got to roll.
Where's the motorcycle wool? There it is, right there. 2W40 motorcycle wool, 4-stroke. Synthetic. We don't need synthetic. We want regular wool. Regular wool kind of guy. Over a liter. Engine enamel. I think that would be it. Let the project begin. Well, we're gonna start cleaning it up.
Yep. All right. We are done with the restoration. Let's give her a shot. That's what I'm talking about. Uh-oh. Yeah. Could be all the air in the line. Give her a ride, see what happens. Well, looks like we got a little bit of carb work to do, but she runs. She's cleaned up.
Carb. Paint things.
Couple of minor adjustments, ain't no big deal.
Yeah. Not at all. Where does it go?
Well, Crunk Up ran fine this morning. Did a real good job cleaning it up. Now we're having some problems with the idle. Keeps dying on us. We'll investigate further and we'll let you know what happens.
Go time, y'all.
All right, so we're here to do the surprise giveaway of was it a 200?
Yeah.
To the father-in-law,
Hey.
his dad, her dad. All right, let's do this. I said his dad. This guy. Oh, I thought you had a key.
Oh, I'll just ring the phone.
I didn't know you would.
You didn't give me none?
I didn't know you would. All y'all together. Tanner's coming by himself.
You know Tanner can't go nowhere without me.
That's right.
We're just getting out. All four of y'all
There you go.
riding together.
Yeah.
Well, sit down. I'm up on the bed. Why don't you come outside and look at this truck? What truck? It's my truck. What's wrong with it? Leaking something all over the driveway. What are you doing driving it? Well, I don't know what to do. I don't want to bring you to the house. You've been at home all day.
Can't even finish eating his food. Nah, he ain't got no new truck.
I think one of my tennis balls came.
Hit it again.
Hit it again.
You have to hit it again.
Is another truck really?
No.
Oh dear Jesus.
We've been working on this all day.
Wait a minute. Y'all restored it.
Yeah.
What is it?
We got
It's a
video.
motorcycle. For you.
We replaced the 80.
You said you want a motorcycle, you ride with the grandkids, so there you go.
Dang.
We even put you a 59 since you got
That's
it when
a
you were
200?
59.
Is that a 100 or 200?
200.
Dang. How much it gonna cost?
It don't cost you nothing.
Don't cost nothing.
No, it's yours. It's a gift.
It's a gift. I can't believe this. All four of y'all bought this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dang, y'all must love me.
Yeah, well, you gave the 80 away, so
The 80 was yours.
I know, but
Well, this one's yours.
yeah.
Dang, where'd y'all get this?
Maplesville, Alabama.
Yeah.
We've been together
We went and
since
picked it up this
9:15
morning. Went and picked it up this morning.
I've been calling you lying all day. Yeah.
Crank up and run?
I really did.
Yeah,
Christmas
it's a
Day
little
today, but
little
not
cold
this
natured.
year.
It don't like the cold
It's
too
about 2
much.
hours
Yeah,
ago.
once you get it warmed up though, it'll
It's
ride.
got new plugs. We did an oil change.
It's a
We'll get some
secret.
shoes on with me and let's go for a run.
Oh no.
We
I'll
took
ride with you.
We tore it all the way down to the frame.
We looked at a bunch of them this morning. What'd y'all have to pay for it?
$800.
400 each. Nothing.
We put a little money into it. It's got new plugs, new oil change.
It's 800.
Yeah,
Oh, I got the bill of sale. It's hiding over here.
That ain't bad
Yeah.
at all.
it's a good little bike.
I made on my
What
computer.
model is it?
It's a 97.
97?
But it's got 59 on it because you're 59.
Oh, okay.
I had a 9 because he was 9.
Show him the picture
has
of
it
the
been
frame
rebuilt
on
or anything? Do y'all
Show,
know?
show in the picture, Trent, when you pick
No, it's,
My phone's
That's not
rebooting
bad.
for
Is the
a
motor already?
but
I've got everything.
far as
You
I
got
I don't have everything.
He sent me pictures. I thought it
Yeah.
synced to your phone.
Yeah.
It don't like it when it's cold. It won't idle real good, so you got to let it.
Once you get it riding though,
Maybe it had the wrong spark plug in it.
What picture?
It's got a brand new spark plug in it. I just went and bought one today.
Which, Trent, which picture?
One of them I sent you of when we had the frame all the way down.
That's
Yeah.
probably
There you
as big as the 250.
Our whole day
Which
we've
is
been walking
good.
the street, hoping y'all would drive by.
well, it's too tall for me, that's for sure.
No, the 250, I had to climb up on it.
This one right here, it's got some real strong compression
See, this is where we took it down.
and it's got some power.
Tore it down to the frame and.
Yeah, we cleaned it up completely.
Oh, y'all did all that?
Yeah.
We've been
We've been working
all
on it
day.
since 12 o'clock today.
To show you everything. We have recorded the entire day, even the drive there.
Yep.
Well, we'll have it forever. I told Liz this morning we get another one, it's gonna be mine.
We
and
aired
hers.
up the front
It's
shot,
so
so
hard
they're
to not tell
they're
Gary
up to par.
up
Yeah, you
nobody.
got air shocks up front that had to put air in them.
Yeah, that's what my 250 was.
Yeah.
But we pressurized them to
We
45.
yeah.
Which is what the spec
So it's
was.
got good tires on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, David, just ride it.
It's got a ton of compression, so it hurts
See what
the
you can
kid.
do on it. We want to see if you can pop a wheelie.
No, I ain't doing that. It's got choke
Oh, he'll
up
pop one
under,
all
like the
right.
other
Yeah,
one.
it's got a
Yeah.
half choke and a full choke.
Okay,
So
so
there, it's off now, half choke or full choke, but
Okay.
it should run with no choke right
my
now.
knees over it.
Thing's got some compression now.
Hey, that's what you want.
I was looking for, an XR200, and that's what I told Trent not too long ago.
They even shine the tires.
It's not on. Turn it on half choke, it'll go.
He playing.
My knees won't take much of this.
Smoke is because it's burning that new paint off. It's all been painted.
Ah, it smokes when it's cold. Once it warms up, it goes away. Choke's off.
Goes off?
Yeah, I turned it off.
Liz, come on. I just got the clutch a little bit to get on.
Better hold on.
That's what I told him yesterday. You'll never get
All
one.
right, y'all. Well, we gave him his present.
Showed him for 3 weeks ones that were priced in his
Tech Minded helped out. We got it all handled. We'll see y'all later.